to day 1 of Portugal. So it is 9 in the morning right now. I just slept about 11 hours last night. That was much needed. So it's time to go get some breakfast, get out of here, go have some fun, explore Portugal a little bit, then we'll go to the web conference. So hopefully I can capture the beauty that is Lisbon. Let's go. Apple pie for breakfast and a fruit smoothie. Good choice. Not what I was planning on. I saw McDonald's down the road. I almost did it, but no. I'm gonna get something that's more authentic to this place. So, apple pie for breakfast, that's a first. Okay, so I'm not window shopping here, but if I were, I think this is a really bad slogan. Johnny Walker, it says, keep walking. Like, that's what you want to do. You just want to keep on walking. Look, keep walking. All right, we won't go in the door. We'll just keep on walking. Uber is here. The journey to Web Summit begins. There's supposed to be 60,000 people that attend this thing every year. And we're speaking at it, but we got to get a lay of the land a little bit. We are here. There are stadium after stadium and people are just lined up to go in. So I don't really have a good feel for what's even going on here. There's just people everywhere. So we're gonna go try to find some kind of conference. Tons of security, tons of police officers here. That's a bit reassuring. Hi. Hi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels right there. That's some skills. That's some garbage skills in Portugal. Wow.
À chaque réunion plus nombreux. Je suis très fier aussi qu'il y ait beaucoup.
What's up, guys? It is nighttime. This is the place where I started the video, like right here. Check it out. This is it. But here's the deal. We went to Web Summit, we got super duper tired, and then we just went and got an Uber and came back and slept. The jet lag hit hard. So it's 10 o'clock at night. Mercedes-Benz is putting on a party, and so we're gonna go to it. We got invited. We're meeting with them a couple of times this trip, and so we're like, yeah, we'll go to a party. So yeah, we're wide awake, and it's 10 o'clock at night, and this door doesn't like to shut. Got it. All right, get the Uber.
Got the Uber.
Let's see where we're at. Here we go. All right, we made it to the city center. Looks like there's something going on. I think we're close to the party, but I want to go see what's going on over there. Sure. I think we're close. Look at this car.
Okay, guys, are you ready to jump?
Yes! Yes!
Come on! Hey! Hey!
It's a party! This is wild! Woo! Pretty wacky, huh? Fun? I think we're right in the center of Lisbon. I thought that the city was asleep at like 9:30 because our place that we're staying at is totally asleep, totally quiet. But wow, turns out the city is alive. You just have to go to this heart of the city. We made it to the Mercedes party, but apparently they have reached capacity. We had a great time coming to the city. Maybe we'll go wander around the streets a little bit. Just happened upon a place that says Dream Pills. That could either be really bad or be really good, but I gotta find out. Let's go. Looks good. All right, good news. Whew, it's all candy. It is all candy. We just got a call, and I think we're gonna get into the party. We might have to stay up a little later after the party and come over here because it's a cool street. The restaurants look amazing. It's packed. There's young people, old people. It feels like it really is like the middle of the day. So it makes it feel not that dangerous, especially with all the police that they have here. This is one of the biggest events that happens in Lisbon all year. And so you can tell they've beefed up security. There's a ton of Ubers everywhere and taxis. It's really fun. All right, we made it to the party. They had an open bar, so Hunter and I got waters because we don't drink alcohol, but the waters were free, so that's cool. All right, here's the view from up above. Second floor. Check it out. There's that statue right there. Hotel. There's a guy with a tuba. All right, so this is beautiful. We had a fun time at this party. We're gonna head down now and go through the city a little bit and do a little bit of exploring. But I don't even know if you can hear me right now. The music's so loud. So anyway, I don't know what they say here. They don't say adios, but see you in a minute. So this beautiful electric Mercedes, I talked to them inside of there and they said that it does work. I asked if I could go on a ride on it. They said yes. So tomorrow, we're gonna see if we can test drive this thing. So hopefully it happens. Stay tuned. Tomorrow might be the day. Look at that thing. That grill is all lights. That's cool. Mercedes, super cool. Awesome people. Hopefully we can do some stuff together to make some awesome content for you guys. But now we're gonna go wander the streets and try to find some dinner maybe. Try to figure out where to eat. I don't think I'm gonna eat here at Farda Brutos. I'm not sure that Hunter would appreciate that tonight in our small Airbnb.
Yeah, you know.
All right, this is where we ended up. This building is like a hotel right here. We've got Flor do Mundo. The thing that we liked about it is they have everything in Portuguese, but then they also have it in English. So yeah, maybe y'all have some of this. Just a random dog passing through. No big deal. Here we go. Do you want to tell my friends it's a good place for them to come? They would love that. The food was amazing. The cake was so good. And the lady that was there said, tell all your friends. She saw me filming. Are you telling your friends to come eat here? I'm like, yeah, we're telling our friends. So anyway, I'm telling you guys, go eat there if you're in Lisbon. We're gonna catch an Uber back to our place and then get some sleep. So actually, I'm not even tired though. I just had cake. It's 1 in the morning. Oh, while we're eating, our friends at Mercedes sent me a text. We are set 2:30 to 5 o'clock tomorrow. We are taking that car right there, that cool car. We're taking it out. I don't get to drive it, but I get to be a passenger in it. I can't wait. So we'll be bringing you to that. It'll be great. See you tomorrow. Nighttime on the streets. We got meat hanging in this store right here. It's a meat store. I mean, come on, but that is kind of creepy. Why do they have to light it up? It's like nightmares right there.
One.